Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover string. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover basics of string. C doesn't have string variable type. We have to use character array to store string. I have defined string and initialized the value. By default, compiler adds \0 at the end of string to indicate end of string. I am printing the string using printf function and %s conversion character. We can get string from and send to terminal using fgets and fputs function, and using printf and scanf function. In the next program, I am going to cover string array and length. I have defined two-dimensional string array of size 3 x 20 and assigned value to string array. And I am going to print the two-dimensional string array using for loop. We can get the length of string using while loop, and using string length function, which requires string.h header file. In the next program, I am going to cover string copy. We can copy the string using string copy function, which requires string.h header file. In the next program, I am going to cover string concatenation. We can concatenate two strings into one string using string concatenation function, which requires string.h header file. In the next program, I am going to cover string comparison. We can compare strings using string comparison function, which requires string.h header file. If first string is greater than second string, then the function returns positive value. If the first string is less than second string, then the function returns negative value. Else, function returns 0. In the next program, I am going to cover searching character in string. We can use string character function to search a character in string. String character function searches the string starting from beginning and returns pointer to first position where character is found. I am using while loop to search for a character in string and count occurrence, and I am displaying the result on terminal. In the next program, I am going to cover searching substring in string. We can use string function to search substring in string. String function searches the string starting from beginning and returns pointer to first position where substring is found. If search string is found in string, then the if statement gets executed. Otherwise, else statement gets executed. In the next program, I am going to cover string tokenizing. We can use string tokenizing function for tokenizing string. We need to pass string and delimiter character to function. In the next program, I am going to cover string conversion to numeric value. stdlib.h library is required for string conversion to numeric. We can use the toI function to convert string to integer. A to L function to convert string to long. A to LL function to convert string to long. And a to F function to convert string to float. We can use string to F function to convert string to float, string to D function to convert string to double, and string to LD function to convert string to long double. Few compilers don't support long double. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on C Program Interview Questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.